Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you all are fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos or tutorials. And guys, I'm on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. You guys can easily visit my Instagram, and you guys can follow me also. I'm so active there. If you guys have any question or you wanna say anything about anything, so you guys can send me a message. I'm gonna read your message and I'm gonna reply you on my videos or status. So in this beautiful video, I'm gonna show you a beautiful style of tying a beautiful head scarf using masur, Omani Masar, or you can say Arabic head scarf. So let's begin this tutorial right now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So Allah Hafiz till my next video or tutorial. And don't forget to visit my Instagram. Link is in the description, and I'm just waiting for you guys, okay?